How to disable link preview in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the steps. So for that, when you open up your WhatsApp and you go ahead and share up a link, for example from a YouTube, and head over to a chat. After that, go ahead and paste the link here. You can find the link preview, which means that it has been turned into a blue. When the other person taps on it, they will redirect it to the YouTube or any kind of link that you provided. So if you don't want the link preview, what you can do instead is you can head back from your WhatsApp and then go over to the three dot from this home interface, the chat interface at the top. And then from this given menu, go over to settings. So once you go over the settings, you need to head over to the option called privacy, which is right under account. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go over to privacy, you may scroll down and then look for the option advanced, which is under allow camera effects option. Just go ahead and tap on it. So once you go ahead and go to advanced, here we have this option of disable link previews. So you can turn it on. That helps to protect your IP address from being inferred by third-party websites previews for the link that you shared in chat, which will no longer be generated. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.